Picture this. You've just unboxed your shiny new 65% keyboard. It's compact, it's clean, and it fits your desk like a dream. You're typing away, lost in the rhythm of those satisfying clicks. But then, you reach for the F keys to tweak your code or skip a track. And they're not there. That compactness suddenly feels a little too minimal. But what if I told you you could just snap those F keys right back on like magic? Or maybe you're an accountant, crunching numbers all day, wishing for a dedicated numpad without cluttering your desk with a full-sized keyboard. With the Tmice modular keyboard, just snap on a numpad module, and you're ready to conquer those spreadsheets. And for the creatives, the multitaskers, the shortcut enthusiasts, imagine snapping on a macros pad. Program it to launch your favorite apps, automate your workflow, even display a sleek clock right in the icons, keeping you on track in style. This is the Tmice modular keyboard set, currently priced at $270 on their website. It's a wired, tray-mount mechanical keyboard with a modular design. The white keycaps feel and look great. The keyboard uses a linear switch called glitter switches. All modules, including the keyboard, macro pad, have a silver anodized aluminum case and a white plastic backplate. The macro pad, keyboard, and numpad feature magnetic click-on foot pads to adjust the tilt angle. Tmice provides an app for Mac and Windows to set up shortcuts, macros, backlight, and other standard keyboard settings. Enough talk. Let's get to the typing test. Sounds pretty nice, doesn't it? However, the Tmice modular keyboard isn't perfect, and a few issues will keep me from buying it myself. Let's see if any of these points are deal breakers for you. Personally, I hate to say, but I couldn't recommend the Tmice, and here's why. First, the cable is proprietary, or at least hard to replace, so if it breaks, you're left with an expensive aluminum paperweight. I hope Tmice starts selling replaceable cables soon, and better yet, include a magnetic adapter to let you use any USB-C cable with the magnetic port for improved longevity. Next, the software, while functional, is glitchy. Even though the menu is in English, some Chinese text still appears in the interface, which is distracting. Mac compatibility also needs work. On my MacBook, I noticed issues like the volume knob working in reversed and the mute function only temporarily muting the system instead of toggling it properly. Adding optional Mac keycaps would be a great gesture too. Finally, and most importantly, I'd love to see Tmice create a dock or accessory to let the macro pad and the numpad work independently without needing to connect to the main keyboard. This would make these modules more appealing as add-ons or standalone options, especially for laptop users. So this is my video on the Tmice modular keyboard set. It sucks to make a negative review, but as a reviewer, I need to be completely honest to myself and my viewers. Hopefully my suggestions will be useful for future product development for Tmice. as I think the idea itself is excellent. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful. Let me know what you think about the keyboard in the comments below.